Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily save a BeReal to your photos. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up BeReal app. Then right here, tap at your profile picture to move on to the profile, and after that all you have to do is just select a BeReal that you want to save to your photos gallery. I'm just gonna pick the latest one, and once it opens all you have to do is just drag it left until you find that add to photos icon. You can just hit on that. It asks if I really want to save this BeReal to the photos. I'm gonna hit add OK, and now it's saved. I can now hop out BeReal and open up Photos app, where at Recent album I can easily find that BeReal that I have just saved. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my BeReal and Photos tutorials playlists, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.